47 against 38. 9-point lead by Mahayahay Panthers.
Ocanyada. Pass to Maxilum. Power move. Maxilum. Pass to Maxilum. Power move. Maxilum. 2 points. Iba ng matangkad. Trisana. No basket. Maxilum. And a whistle.
Both teams, you have no timeout left. First free throw by Maxilum, connect. Second free throw. 2-point lead by Palms, change favor. Second free throw. Perfect on the line by Maxilum.
So Ocanyada driving to the basket, pass to the big man. To the basket, pass to the big man. 2 points by Maxilum.
This last 2 minutes is brought to you by no basket by Maxilum. 2 points. No basket by Maxilum. 2 points. Espinosa. Espinosa.
Pass to Maxilum. Pass to Maxilum.
Easy basket by Maxilum.